In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add frames or borders to your videos in CapCut. Whether you're looking to create a polished professional look or add a touch of fun and creativity to your content, using frames and borders is a simple but effective way to elevate your videos. CapCut makes this process straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find, customize, and apply frames that suit your video's unique style. So let's dive in and start enhancing your projects step by step. First, open your video project in CapCut. This is the foundation for everything we'll do today, as it sets up your workspace and ensures that you can start editing right where you left off. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Next, make sure your footage is imported into the project. If your video isn't already added, you'll need to bring it into the timeline. This is essential because we're going to layer your frame or border over the video, and without the footage in place, you won't be able to proceed. Now, look over to the left-hand panel and click on the Elements tab. This is where CapCut stores a wide variety of visual assets, including the frames and borders we'll be using in this tutorial. Once you're in the Elements panel, head to the search bar at the top and type in the word frame. This is a quick way to filter through the options and find exactly what we're looking for without having to scroll endlessly. By narrowing it down like this, you can easily focus on frames and borders rather than unrelated elements. Take a moment to browse through the available frame options. You'll notice that CapCut offers a range of styles to suit different themes. For example, if you're going for a nostalgic vibe, you might pick a Polaroid style frame. On the other hand, if you're aiming for a clean and modern aesthetic, you can choose a sleek border. Select the one that best fits your video's overall style and tone. Once you've made your choice, click on the frame to add it to your timeline. This will place the frame above your video as a separate track, making it easy to adjust and customize without affecting your footage. Now extend the frame's duration to match the length of your video. If you're working with a longer clip, keep in mind that this may take a little extra time, but it's important to ensure that the frame stays visible throughout the entire video. Next up, click on the frame track in the timeline, then right-click to open the menu. From the menu, select Copy. Duplicating the frame at this stage is like creating a backup. It allows you to make adjustments while keeping the original frame intact. This step is crucial because skipping it could mean losing the original frame, which might cost you time if you need to start over later. Now click on your video track, which is located just below the frame track. Right-click on the video track and select Paste. This step pairs the frame directly with the video, ensuring that the border stays in sync with your footage. Don't worry, CapCut treats each layer separately, so this won't overwrite your video or cause any issues with the existing tracks. Once the frame is synced with your video, go back and delete the old frame track by right-clicking it and selecting Delete. This helps keep your timeline clean and organized, preventing unnecessary stacking or clutter that could make editing more complicated as you continue. Now, click on the frame and adjust its size so it fits neatly around the edges of your video. Proper alignment is key here. You want the frame to enhance your video without covering any important content. Take your time to ensure everything looks balanced and professional. Finally, feel free to experiment with different frame styles, sizes, or even colors if needed. Customizing the frame is all about making it complement your video's look and feel. Try out a few variations until you find the perfect match. And there you have it. Adding frames or borders to your videos in CapCut is that simple. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.